Righto folks, all you need is just a basic simple chainsaw file. Make sure it's those really fine ones, not those bigger metal files, and just a sharpening stone. Make sure you get a good one, but not the really cheapo Chinese one. So at least get a good file and a good sharpening stone. And as you're going across it, I'll give you a tip that I learned over the years on what angle to use and what angle to run your knife, and make sure you apply some water as well. It makes it much more, it grips on really good. Right, we'll get to it and see how we go.